Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you GetGenie AI, a tool that helps us to create the best content as possible. We can write a blog content, create new Instagram captions, and everything in between. First things first, let's start by navigating to the GetGenie AI website. Once we're logged in, we just need to click the playground at the upper part of the screen. Let's just click the new document. Then let's go to the right part, which we can see first about the title. First, let's put some keywords that we're going to use for our blog, for example this one. Then let's just choose English and set the SEO mode to global and click the Analyze Keyword button. We can see on the screen about our keyword analysis like the search volume, competitors, and CPC. Also the chart for search volume trends and Google Trends. Let's put something in the context that is related to our keyword, then set the creativity to 5 out of 5 and max results into 2, then click Generate Title. As we can see, there are 2 titles given by Genie. Let's just choose one, then click Next. The next part is the intro, which we will just click the Generate Intro and wait for AI to generate. After generating the intro, we will choose one again and click Next. The next one is the outline. We can let Genie again to generate for the outline, or we can also add our own outline by clicking the Add Outline button. As we can see, there are 2 generated outlines, the first part and the second part. Well, we can just check what we want to be added, or we can just select all. Then click Next, and for example, we will just click Customize Content. After that, choose a heading that you want to generate a content. For example, let's choose the second one, then we can adjust the length, whether small, medium, and large. Then let's click the Generate button. And here's the result. We can also regenerate if we're not satisfied with the results. If you think the result is good, just click Insert at the bottom right to be pasted in blank space. Then, for example, let's add content again. Let's try to choose the fourth one. Let's set the length into small and click the Generate button again. As we can see, it's not as long as the first that we generate. Then let's just insert it again to be pasted in the big blank space. Now, let's try to use the chatbot here in GetGenie. We can choose the chat personality, whether a general purpose, professional writer, stand-up comedian, and many more, but let's choose the professional writer one. Then let the size stay in medium. Now, let's put a topic in the text box so the AI will generate it. By the way, I'm putting the same topic so we can insert it on the first one that we made. We will just copy and paste once we're satisfied with the results. That's how easy to use the chatbot. Now, we can customize the characters that we paste in the big blank space. We can use this side for the customization of the characters. Lastly, we notice the GetGenie logo. We can use this if we want to write using templates, as we already picked the Blog Wizard template. We can also expand an outline by highlighting the characters. Then let's go to the right part, then let's just change the size into small, then click the right button. Again, as we can see, there are 2 suggestions that GetGenie AI gave to us. We can just click one of them, then if we want to insert it into the blank space, just click the plus logo at the upper right of the paragraph. Next is continue writing, which it will add up a word for the blog content. Then rewrite texts, which the same by highlighting a characters, then go to the right part to customize it. And the last one is write using Genie mode, which is similar to the chatbot that we used a while ago. Once we're all good, we will just click the Save button at the upper right of the screen. And there we have it, a quick guide on how to use GetGenie AI, an AI tool that can generate topic ideas, outlining articles, suggesting keywords, or even drafting content. We hope that we help you. Start using GetGenie AI with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.